Good morning.
Good morning.
So,
We slept really nicely, but in a car park that's the freedom area around here. And we've just driven to the beach so we can have some breakfast.
yeah. Same beach we were at yesterday.
Yeah, Mount Maunganui Beach, really nice.
Yeah.
The waves are crushing. Everyone, all the surfers are up already, or have already been in.
Yeah. Right, breakfast.
Waking up.
Yeah. So what's the plan for today?
We take the van to AA
Yeah.
and see if they can fix something. And then if not, we're going to drive to Tauranga to pick up some stuff, and then maybe go to a different freedom fund space further along
the way. And I'm making coffee at the moment. Having a muesli.
But we will see what the AA say, because they may be able to fit us in, and we may stay here again soon.
Yeah. This is my new coffee brewer. And it smells great. Yo!
Making an investment about being in the garage.
Yeah. Coffee. I'm waiting for lunch. Yeah. The cheddar sandwich. Flat white. Flat white. What did you get?
Pastrami like beef.
That looks great. I'm happy. Hey.
Hey.
So Alex and I have just stopped to enjoy a bit of a view. But we had some lunch and we had a coffee at Lloyd's, which is a little coffee slash pizza slash deli place that we've been to. Dudes in there are really nice.
Yeah, it's really good food.
And the food was really nice. Yeah, and then we're just waiting to see what the damage slash time frame on our van's gonna be. So we're getting the handbrake looked at, which should just be tightening and adjusting, so that should be okay. And then we're also getting the steering has a bit of a kind of a shake at slow speeds when you're kind of doing like slow maneuvers. So we're looking at that. So we've got that to look forward to. That one's just a quote for now. They may not do the work.
Yeah, just to see what's the issue and if we need it fixed or not.
And we stopped at our local Asian supermarket and managed to find a few of the drinks that we drink a lot in Korea, and as well as some of the sweets, which are those ones that we which we got a bit obsessed with. These are peach flavor. And then yeah, we're going to just go chill out, I think. So yeah,
enjoy the sunshine while it's here and the views.
Yeah,
for now.
Check out this view we're looking at. I mean, for a random bench spot,
pretty good.
Can't argue. Evening.
Hi.
So we've parked up, which you can just about see over there.
We got the van back from the garage.
Yeah, went to the garage, got the handbrake sorted. The other jobs were going to require a bit more work, so we're going to leave that for now. But yeah, the parking spot that we went for, the first couple were like where we went not last night, the night before, and on the beach, they were all full. I think we only just missed one, which is annoying.
Yeah.
But so we've got over here, which is on the sports field, so get to watch a bit of touch rugby to start with.
Yep.
But we're gonna go find a bathroom and then need to cook us some dinner.
Yeah. Yeah, we were just a bit later today because we were just waiting to get the van back.
But we got it back, so we got a place to stay.
Yeah. Because otherwise it was going to cost us £400 for the only place to stay in Tauranga, because it's the school holiday.
Slash drink all evening and just sit somewhere.
Yeah.
But yeah.
You can't do that here because things close at 10.
No, I know. Right, see you in a bit.
So today we have, well, not left Tauranga area because we're only 10 minutes down the road, but we are starting to leave Tauranga and drive to a waterfall, and then we're going to go to Spring and then maybe up to a different area this afternoon. But yeah, we've got cool roads.
Real test of Johnny.
Test of Johnny. Just taking it slowly. Only need to cruise.
So we had a bit of a run around this morning. We had to run to the place that we stayed the first night to try and find a bathroom. That one was locked because the one where we stayed was locked. It stayed open relatively late, but then it was locked this morning. So then we had to drive to the one that was down the road. So it was only like a 10-minute loop sort of thing. But yeah, now we've gone, as Alex said earlier, to Pook. Well, towards Pook.
Yep.
And we're at a waterfall called the...
Kayak, maybe?
Something like that. But yeah, so we're going to check out the waterfalls.
No swimming here.
No swimming here.
Freezing.
Yeah, it's pretty cold today.
And also there's a health warning.
There's also a health warning which I'll show you. But yeah, microbial. Nice. Don't swim. So that's Mount Manganui. That's where we were the other day. So this is the start of the falls. We go down. It is very jungly.
Doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart will show somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry
So we had a lot of rain last night. It wasn't ridiculous, it was just very intense. And then went off, then very intense. So yeah, a bit of a squelchy walk. But not too bad.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. We'll be together. Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth, show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong if the place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Hold on. Take me together. Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the
Really nice.
feeling is all gone.
Besides one other car in the car park, there was no one else here. So. Yeah. having some lunch, and we have a friend. 2 friends. One for you.
Oh, look at Daddy's little stick insect. Escape.
Hey, so we've parked up. We've parked up by the beach, hence the wind. But we've got the beach on one side, might be able to see the bay on the other. Yeah, it's nice. Don't know where we are.
Dotterel Point.
Where?
Dotterel Point.
Dotterel Point. Now we made it to the beach. And it is really nice.